Hello, I'm Matt Smith with FS Curtis Air Compressors, and I'm here today at our factory in St. Louis, Missouri to talk to you about our Pressure Lube ML Series reciprocating air compressors. The ML Series has earned a reputation in the industry as the most robust reciprocating product available. It is ideally suited for applications requiring the heaviest duty machine. The ML Series comes in horsepowers ranging from 5 all the way up to 30 horsepower. It comes in both vertical and horizontal configurations. It comes with the Ultra Pack version as an available option, and we'll talk more about Ultra Pack later in this video. And finally, it comes in both simplex and duplex versions. A simplex version has a single pump, and a duplex version has 2 pumps, which provides the advantage of being able to oversize the compressor as well as having a backup. And we'll talk a little bit more about that later in the video as well. Now let's dive into some of the features that make the ML Series the most rugged reciprocating compressor available, starting with the industrial-grade stamped steel belt guard. Unlike some competitive products which use wire mesh belt guards, the ML Series features a heavy-duty stamped steel belt guard. The all-metal inlet filter housing also provides better life and endurance than competitive plastic offerings. Next, the heart of any air compressor is the pump. And the ML Series has the largest, most rugged pump in the business. Believe it or not, the pump that we're featuring here is only at 10 horsepower. It's comparable in size to many pumps that are 20 horsepower and larger. The ML Series pump is fully cast iron. It features stainless steel valves and central ring pressure lubrication, which ensures that we have oil at the most critical wear areas in the pump, which ensures that you're going to get maximum endurance and reliability and longevity out of this pump. Next, the ML Series comes with the Ultra Pack option available. Ultra Pack is a set of product features that provide many benefits to customers, starting with the belt guard mounted aftercooler, which provides drier and cooler air to a customer's process and allows customers to use standard refrigerated dryers instead of high temperature refrigerated dryers if they need super dry air. Next, a low oil guard, which is essentially an insurance policy against running a pump without oil, which would cause a catastrophic failure. Next, Ultra Pack includes an automatic electric drain, which ensures that your tank does not fill up with water, causing short cycling and excessive wear on your pumps. And finally, Ultra Pack includes 4 vibration isolation pads, which are required for a proper installation of a reciprocating air compressor. Best of all, the ML Series is covered by the best warranty in the business. We offer a 5-year extended warranty that covers the entire package as long as you purchase parts and consumables from an authorized FS Curtis distributor. And if you buy the Ultra Pack option, you get an Ultra Shield bumper-to-bumper 5-year extended warranty. Finally, like all FS Curtis products, the ML Series comes factory filled with lubricant so that when it shows up at your doorstep, it is ready to run. And also, like all FS Curtis reciprocating products, it is assembled here at our factory in St. Louis, Missouri, where we've been building quality products since 1854.